Hello, and welcome to this quick guide on using the Agoda mobile app. Today, you'll learn how to change the currency setting easily within the app. Whether you're planning a trip or comparing prices internationally, setting your preferred currency helps a lot. Let's walk through the simple steps together. Open the Agoda mobile app on your phone. On the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap on More. Scroll down the menu until you find an option labeled Price Display. Tap on Price Display to access the currency settings. Now, select your preferred currency from the list of available options. Once selected, the app will automatically update and display all prices in your chosen currency. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency. Thanks for watching this step-by-step tutorial. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions.